This factory never stops running, not at night, not for 1 second. Right now, every machine you see is producing plastic at insane speed. These tiny pellets will become real products in just seconds. Blink, and you'll miss thousands of parts being made. Inside these machines, plastic melts under extreme heat and pressure. If one setting is wrong, thousands of products are instantly destroyed. That's why this factory is controlled down to the millisecond. Robots here move so fast, humans can't even keep up. Every second, this place makes more plastic than most factories do in hours. And this is only the beginning. Let me show you how. Everything starts with plastic pellets, smaller than rice. This factory stores enough plastic to run for weeks non-stop. Before melting, the plastic must be perfectly dry. Even tiny moisture can ruin everything. Every gram is measured with extreme precision. Thousands of pellets flow into machines every second. Multiple machines are fed at the exact same time. Once the pellets go in, there's no going back. Inside the barrel, a giant screw pushes plastic forward. Heat melts the pellets into thick liquid plastic. Temperatures here hit hundreds of degrees instantly. This molten plastic flows smoother than lava. Every machine melts plastic at perfectly matched speeds. Sensors track pressure and heat in real time. One mistake, and thousands of parts fail. The melted plastic builds pressure, waiting to explode. This moment lasts just seconds. Then everything moves all at once. The mold slams shut with extreme force. Molten plastic is injected at insane speed. It fills every tiny space instantly. Hundreds of machines inject plastic at the same time. This happens faster than you can blink. The mold holds tight under massive pressure. No leaks, no mistakes. Inside, the plastic starts cooling. Seconds later, the mold opens. Perfect plastic parts are revealed. Every single one, identical. Still warm, still flawless. Each cycle takes only seconds. Then it repeats, again and again. Robots grab the parts, instantly. No human hands ever touch them. The robots never miss. Parts land perfectly on moving conveyors. Everything here is perfectly synchronized. Plastic parts move faster than humans can walk. Sensors scan each piece, full speed. This entire line is 100% automated. Robots adjust in milliseconds. Products change direction automatically. Thousands of parts flow through every hour. They stack themselves perfectly. Every part is inspected instantly. Lasers measure each piece with extreme accuracy. Even microscopic defects are detected. Bad parts are removed immediately. Only flawless plastic moves forward. Some parts are stress tested at full speed. Edges, surfaces, shapes, checked non-stop. Quality control runs as fast as production. Defect rates here are insanely low. Nothing passes without approval.
The data looks excellent on this batch. Keep up the great work.
Finished parts go straight into packaging. Everything stacks automatically. Products are sealed in seconds. Robots load pallets, non-stop. Entire pallets move to shipping. This factory ships plastic worldwide. Millions of parts leave here every day. All made from tiny plastic pellets. Perfectly identical, perfectly timed. This is mass production at maximum speed. And this is how the modern world is built.